Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to see Strava Year in Review. Before we begin, keep in mind that Year in Review feature on Strava is a premium feature, so you will need an active Strava subscription to access it. First, make sure Strava app is updated to the latest version. To check that, just go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, and in the search bar, just go ahead and search for Strava, and make sure it is updated to the latest version. And as you can see, mine is saying open and uninstall, which means it is updated to the latest version. And once you have confirmed it, just go ahead and click on open. Now on the home screen, refresh your feed and see if the year in review appears at the top. If you don't see it, just go ahead and tap on the U tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, look at the progress section. This is where yearly stats are displayed. And as for me, I am in the free version of Strava, so I'm not able to view that. But if you are on premium version, you'll be able to see your yearly stat. Just go ahead and tap on year or sports summary option to open your year in review. And here you'll be able to see your total activities, hours spent, distance covered, and other yearly performance stats. You can also swipe through different sections to explore your full yearly breakdown once you are viewing it. You can also use the share option to send it to apps like Instagram, TikTok, or messaging platform. And that's it. We just learned how to view Strava Year in Review by updating the app, opening the profile section, and accessing yearly stat, which requires premium subscription. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.